Okay guys, this time we buy a package from Digi Travel official from Jakarta. This is a card who you can use the internet connection in the Singapore and Malaysia. You choose for the duration and the quota every day. Let's see a live view. And this is the requirement of this. They can LTE or 5G. Malaysia is this communication operators. Aktif can be Tethering or the Hotspot. Only internet. No need to registration. Auto active and connected. Okay, let's see what we got inside it. Okay, they use this. They use this. This one, yeah, they use this. Let's see. Packages is like this. Open. Empty. This is the items. Digital global SIM, expired date, customer service, unlimited data to use with register, iOS and Android connection, 190 countries. Let's see what happened inside. Oh, okay. Okay, oh, this is how to use. And has a SIM ejector, and this one for the sizing of the SIM card. You can make it micro here, mini, and full sizes. Okay, just like this, you just install these things into your phone when you arrive at the airport. Yeah, like that. Looks amazing, looks good. This is it. So you can internet in outside your nation.